In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J1260W with your PC computer. How to connect them, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from the printer scanner directly on your PC. So let's get started right away. Step number one is to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. And since over here the printer doesn't have any display to do it on it, we need to use the WPS method, which in my opinion is even easier. Let me demonstrate how this is done. So you see over here, these are the buttons. Make sure the printer is turned on. And no matter if the Wi-Fi light over here is blinking or staying still, you're going to press 3 times on the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, 3. It needs to be done quickly, the way I just did. You're going to then notice that the stop button and the Wi-Fi button will both blink at the same time. This means that the printer is now waiting for you to go to your Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button on it, and press. Sometimes on some models, you'll have to keep it pressed 2 seconds to enable it. And then the printer will try to connect to your router. So let me go and do it. And when your printer has found your Wi-Fi network, the light above the Wi-Fi button will stay still. As you see, it will stay lit the way it is. It simply means that it's currently connected to it. Now, on your PC computer, we need to go in to the printer settings. So usually you're going to see a search bar. If you don't see it here, maybe it's over there, and simply type printer. And you should see the printer and scanner settings appearing. Simply click on them. Click on add device. You're going to see your Brother printer over here since your PC is connected to the same network as your printer. So simply click on it and select add device on the right side. You don't need to download any drivers or any software to make this work. You simply have to wait, and if you have a PC running Windows 11, Windows 10, or even maybe an older version, they should be able to recognize the printer. And as you see, it's installing the software that it needs automatically. If you have troubles and you don't know how to make them work together, you can always go on Google and simply type Brother MFC-J1260W driver, and then you'll be able to download it manually if this didn't work. But as you see, it says ready now. So to print any documents, simply open it. I'll use a PDF document for this example. I'll click the printer icon, and over here on the left side, I will select my printer. Here we go, Brother MFC-J1260W. You're gonna have a few settings you can change down below depending what you're trying to print. I'll put it in color here, and I'll select print. Extend this small tray, and the result will come out in just a few seconds. Great. Now let me show you how to scan a document and get the result on the PC. So this printer, only has one scanner, and it's a basic scanner glass like this one. You're gonna notice that it has on the top left corner an arrow. So take your paper you want to scan, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side, like that, and make sure that the top left corner of your paper touches the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, so both needs to be touching here. Then close the lid, and let's go on the PC to finish the job. On a PC, you're gonna go again in search, and you're gonna type scan. You see over here, this is the scan app. It comes included with most PCs these days, and this is what you need. It's made by Microsoft. If you do not have it installed on your PC, go on the Microsoft Store over here and download it. Search for it and you should see it. If not, go on Google, search for Microsoft Scan app. It's free. It's very useful. Just download it, and over here, simply have to select your Brother MFC-J1260W printer. You have a few different options that you can change depending what you're trying to do. Let's say I want this file to be a JPEG. I'll select JPEG. You can select the destination of your file. Where do you want it to go on your PC? And press the scan button once you're ready. It will take around 13 seconds. And you're going to get a confirmation on the top of the screen telling you that it has been saved on your computer. And okay, it should appear 2-3 seconds. Here we go. Scan was saved to desktop. You can view it, or you can close this notification and scan the next page. If I go on the desktop, let me close everything, and the scan document is over here. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links. I have put links towards replacement ink cartridges for this exact printer, some paper you can get from Amazon. It doesn't cost you much to go through my links, but I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps supporting my channel. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.